The angle of elevation of the top of a pole from a point on the ground is 42 degrees. If the point is 30 meters away from the foot of the pole, find, correct to 1 decimal place, the height of the pole. Let's draw a simple diagram for the problem we have here so that we will be able to visualize it. So the question says that the angle of elevation of the top of a pole from a point on the ground is 42 degrees. So there is the ground and there's a pole on the ground. So let's assume that this is the ground and this is the pole on the ground. Let's call the base of the pole B and the top of the pole C. The question says that the angle of elevation of the top of a pole from a point on the ground is 42 degrees. So there is a point on the ground and the angle of elevation of the top of the pole from that point is 42 degrees. Let's assume that this is the point. Let's call it point A. The question says that the angle of elevation of the top of the pole from this point is 42 degrees. This means that if someone is at point A, he will have to raise his eyes up through an angle of 42 degrees in order to see the top of the pole. The question goes on to say that the point is 30 meters away from the foot of the pole. So the distance between this point and the foot of the pole is 30 meters. We can see clearly from here that if we join the points A, B, and C with straight lines, we are going to form the right angle triangle ABC, as I have shown here with the red line. So we have the right angle triangle ABC. The angle at point A is 42 degrees, and the distance between point A and point B, or the length of the side AB, is 30 meters. The height of the pole will be the length of the side BC. We have the angle here to be 42 degrees. The side BC is opposite to 42 degrees and the side AB is adjacent to 42 degrees. So we have 42 degrees here. We have the length of the side AB and we are looking for the length of the side BC, which is adjacent to the angle 42 degrees. We are going to use the trig ratio tan, because tan 42 degrees will be equal to the opposite side, which is the length of the side BC, divided by the adjacent side, which is the length of the side AB, which was given to us as 30 meters. So tan 42 degrees is equal to the length of BC divided by 30 meters. We now solve this equation for the length of the side BC. We will multiply the left hand side by 30 meters and multiply the right hand side by 30 meters. So we have 30 meters and 30 meters cancelling out. And so the length of the side BC will be equal to 30 tan 42 degrees. The question says that we should correct our answer to 1 decimal place. So we will find 30 tan 42 degrees and then correct our answer to 1 decimal place. And that will give us 27.0 meters. It means that the length of the pole is 27.0 meters.